An unidentified man was killed at a party in Brednothill, Ocho Rios, St. Anne on Thursday night. Reports are that the man, while attending the party, was attacked and stabbed multiple times. He was subsequently transported by patrons of the event to the hospital but succumbed to the injuries. The police also reported that another male was shot in his leg at the event, but he did not show up at the hospital for treatment. Investigations are ongoing. Photograph of a young man said to be known as O'Shane, who was reportedly fatally shot by an unknown assailant late last night in the vicinity of Salt Spring in Montego Bay. There is heavy police presence in Augustown, St. Andrew, after residents mounted a fiery roadblock along the main road today over the shooting of a resident by the police. The man, who is reportedly aligned to the opposition People's National Party, was shot yesterday. Upset residents have accused the police of wrongdoing, which they have denied. The shooting is being probed by the Independent Commission of Investigation. Today, the area's Member of Parliament, Fayval Williams, and the PNP local government election candidate, Darrington Ferguson, and the Jamaica Labour Party's candidate, Venetia Phillips, met with the residents. A man was shot and killed on Howard Avenue in Kingston 11 on Thursday morning. The deceased has been identified as 21-year-old Dwayne Atkinson, otherwise called Twin, or Biggie, a construction worker from Uganda Drive in the community. Reports reaching Observer Online are that about 6:20 a.m., police at the Payne Avenue checkpoint heard loud explosions sounding like gunshots and responded. They also alerted other police on mobile patrol in the area, who proceeded to the location. Upon arriving at the location, police saw the now deceased on the ground in blood, suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head. Lawmen assisted him to the hospital, where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the killing, the police said.